Holy shit! The pop! It was a hell of a push start. Today I think that we should do some knee drag because it's a good weather out today. It's pretty damn hot. So yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Someone dropped their bike. God damn. Someone dropped their baby, man. Fuck. I just got taken over. Hey, I won! Oh my god! Woo! I wish my bike could go that fast, man. I'm on a 50, I can't do that. Oh man, it looks like they're having so much fun, man. I'm going only fucking almost 60. Come on, Aprilia, you can do it. I believe in you. Come on, Aprilia. Speed limit is 80. We're only going 60 or so. Ah, there's a good place in knee drag and he's obstructing it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Come on, Aprilia, speed, I need speed. So, brother, ah, here we go, here we go. Ah, I touch 1 second. I touch for 1 second, man. Not enough. Not enough speed. It's too slow. Woo! Oh man, look at him. He even got his girlfriend. Oh my god, the V4. That shift. Yo, R6, or is that that's an R1 and a biker chick? Oh no, it's a biker dude. Huh. I took a big L there, I thought it was a biker chick. Fuck. $9.5 or $9.8. I'm broke today, so $9.5. 9 francs, 5 liters, okay. Man's broke, man. Ça va, mec?
Tranquille. Tu me fais passer dans ta vidéo?
Oui, oui.
Aïe aïe aïe, ça va?
Oui.
Tu sais, je savais que t'allais passer, j'ai vu tous les moteurs. T'es en train de filmer là?
Pardon?
Tu filmes là?
Oui, je filme.
Aïe aïe aïe. T'as la 2?
La 2, oui, la 2.
Allez, alors 9,60. Oui, oui, oui.
Tu travailles ici?
Ouais, je travaille ici. Vas-y, ciao.
Ouais, ciao.
Bonne journée.
Bonne journée. Pop the wheelie, brother. Pop the wheelie, man. Oh, that's awesome. Look at all those chickens. There's so many chickens. Holy shit. That's a lot of people at McDonald's. Damn. Yeah, I'm going, holy cow. Fuck it. Holy shit! The pops and crackle, man. Do it again. The thing goes. Let's go, knee drag. Woo! Rs4. Oh guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. You know what? Actually, before we end this video, I'm gonna pop a wheelie for you guys. Nah. No, I can't. I changed the new sprocket, so I don't think I can wheelie anymore, guys. So that's a bit sad. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, hit the subscribe and the like button. Don't forget to share this to your friends and family, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.